Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Puzzle and Dragons error. An error occurred trying to play the video. The error reads, "An error occurred trying to play the video. Try again in a place with a better signal." As per our research, this error occurs when players try to watch in-game ads for rewards. The error happens on both Wi-Fi and mobile data, and some players reported seeing it consistently across different devices. According to our research, this error may be caused by network privacy settings, ad blockers or iOS privacy settings interfering with video playback. Now let's come to fixes for the error. If you have adjusted your network privacy settings to block ads, this might be causing the issue, so try disabling any such settings and then check if the error persists. Some users have reported that a recent iOS update enabled Game Center mode by default, which may interfere with ad playback. So try disabling Game Center mode or any similar settings and see if this resolves the issue. If you are using an iOS, also check if Allow Tracking is turned on. To check that, go to Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down to Privacy and Security and tap on Tracking. Make sure Allow Tracking is enabled for Puzzle and Dragons. In case the error persists and you have an ad blocker, then try disabling it, and then check if the ads play without errors. If you have disabled ad blockers and adjusted your settings but the error still occurs, restart your device and check again. In case the error still doesn't resolve, then ensure that you are using the latest version of Puzzle and Dragons. If an update is available, install it and check if this resolves the issue. At last, if none of the above fixes work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the game. A fresh installation may resolve any settings or file conflicts causing the error. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.